Hello and welcome back. This is Stephen Bucks Coins, and I have two coins for you today that celebrate Her Majesty and the late Duke of Edinburgh's wedding anniversaries. This is for their silver and gold wedding anniversaries. So that's 1947 to 1997, and also the silver one, which is 1947 to 1972. This is the first of the two. This is the silver wedding anniversary one. It has the Queen on the front, and I believe that's a Machin portrait. What's happened to my book? I think it probably is a crown rather than the obligatory 50p. Yes, it is an Arnold Machin portrait. This one is the Arnold Machin portrait from 1972, and it has a mintage of 7,452,100, and it shows the Arnold Machin portrait on the front, and then on the back you have Elizabeth and Philip, and you have the dates of their wedding, which was November the 20th, 1947 through to 1972. It has the E and the P underneath the crown. That's about as much as you can say for that particular one coin. And then the second coin is a £5 coin. Just bring that in a little bit. It's a £5 coin. This one has a portrait of both of them on the front. What year was it? Again, 1997. There we go. We have a mintage of this one of 1,733,000. It has the conjoined busts of both Elizabeth II and her husband Prince Philip. It was made in 1977, and on the back you have the conjoined arms. You have the arms under the crown. You have the royal arms and Prince Philip's coat of arms with a naval anchor between them. It has the date of their wedding, which was the 20th November, and 1947, 1997 across here and here. Let me just move that in a little bit so you can see it. You've got the crown separated by the two dates, 47 and 97. You have the date of the wedding, which was the 20th of November. You have the royal coat of arms here. You have Prince Philip's coat of arms here. You have an anchor between them which has a rope wrapped around it. And then you have the value, which is £5. These two coins, I'll just get both of them in for you. Let's get both of them into there for you. There we go. These two coins are representative of 50 years of marriage. The silver anniversary and the golden. And they come out of the two values that became, or what are thought of as, collectors' coins, which is the crown, which is the silver jubilee one, and the silver wedding one, and the golden wedding one is a £5 coin, which was then deemed to be the collector's coin of £5. Now, do you like these two coins? Would you have them in your collection? This is another one of those ones where I'm filling in my collection of £5 coins, and I'm very glad to have both of them as part of my coin collection. If you've enjoyed this, I would love to let you give me the thumbs up. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, please do so, because I'd love to have you along through the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes. For those of you having a collection, having a hunt, I hope you find the coins that you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-da now, bye bye.